Finally, after more than a year of wait, RA seems to be freed from the pain. Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray has declared that the car shed of Mumbai Metro Aqualine won't be coming up at RA now. Instead, the depot will be made far east at Kanjurmarg. Massive protests broke out last year in Mumbai after the government started razing down more than 2,100 trees at RA. The Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation had no choice other than building its one and only car shed at RA. RA was the closest spot to the main line and was the most suitable plot found so far. Kanjurmarg, that is 5 kilometers east of RA, was also in the list, but it was disposed of the plan as it required unnecessary extension of the metro line from RA to Kanjurmarg. Mumbai Metro had plans to restore the greenery at RA after commissioning of the car shed. But the sudden change in government that happened in Maharashtra last year turned the project upside down. The new government seemed to be against the making of RA car shed. The Chief Minister recently ordered releasing of all who were arrested in RA movement. All cases against them were also ordered to be closed. And now he has declared that the new car shed of the Aqualine will be at Kanjurmarg. The confusion, however, still remains. Although the CM has declared the change in the plan, he has not mentioned anything further. The problem is Mumbai Metro's Line 6 is already underway between Seeps and Kanjurmarg. Building the new car shed at Kanjurmarg will require extension of Aqualine from RA to Kanjurmarg for another 5 kilometers. This means both Aqualine and Line 6 will be unnecessarily running parallelly from RA to Kanjurmarg for 5 kilometers. This will not only create space constraints but also will increase the construction cost. The thing that we think can be done to manage the complications is somehow to merge Aqualine into Line 6 near Indian Educational Society campus. This way, Aqualine can physically terminate at RA but at the same time move to Kanjurmarg for accessing the depot. There will be no need to make a new viaduct. At Kanjurmarg, Line 6 will be already having a depot. If situation permits, the same depot can be expanded to accommodate rolling stocks of Aqualine as well. So finally the day comes. It seems that justice has been served to those thousands that protested at RA. Now that the RA forest is being freed from infrastructure development, the greenery can be restored back to its glory by planting few thousand of trees. We just hope RA lives on peacefully and continues its noble work of serving as Mumbai's lungs. Please subscribe to Metro Rail blog for more updates on metro projects across India. Have a nice day.